In this video, let us see how to restore documents from trash in iManage Work. In iManage Work, you can quickly restore documents that you moved to trash. Select your username and then select Trash. The Trash dialog box appears sorted by document number in descending order. You can use the available filters to find a specific document and restore it. You can directly choose the documents you wish to restore and select one of the following options to restore. Select the checkbox adjacent to the document and then select Restore above the table. Right-click and then select Restore. Select the Kebab menu and then select Restore. When you have selected multiple documents to restore, you can select the Show Only Selected slider to display only the selected documents. After the document is restored to its original location, select View File to open the restored document on a new tab in your browser, or select Copy Link to share the document access path to other members in your organization. If the original folder of the document does not exist, the restore fails and you are shown an error message to contact your administrator to restore the document. To download a report of the items sorted based on a particular filter, select the Kebab menu adjacent to the filter drop-down list and then select Download SCSV.